years or sometimes 3. For some students, even 5. That's how long NEET aspirants prepare for one exam, an exam that decides their future. They wake up at 5 a.m., give up celebrations, friendships, peace of mind. Their world becomes books, mock tests, and pressure. And after years of sacrifice, they finally write the exam, only to hear later that it has been cancelled. This is exactly what lakhs of NEET UG 2026 students are dealing with right now after the National Testing Agency officially cancelled the exam following allegations of paper leak and irregularities. A re-exam will now be conducted nationwide. And while the announcement may sound administrative on paper, for students and families it feels deeply personal. The Federal spoke with educators, students, and parents to understand the emotional toll. They wouldn't come on camera or divulge their names. What is palpable is the pain. Here is what a medical college professor said. Students invest so much time and energy preparing for these exams. When it gets cancelled, it is heartbreaking. NEET preparation is not just academic preparation, it becomes an emotional lifestyle. Students often measure their self-worth through test scores. Parents rearrange family finances around coaching fees. Some families even move cities so their children can prepare better. And slowly, the entire household begins living one exam together. For parents of NEET aspirant, the paper leak and exam cancellation hit hard. NEET is not pressurizing just for the students, but equally for the parents, said Vidyashri, parent of a NEET aspirant. People often talk about student stress, but parents carry silent anxiety too. They watch their children lose sleep, they watch them cry after mock tests, they watch teenagers become emotionally exhausted even before the exams and even before they enter the adulthood. And despite all this, families continue because they believe the system will be at least fair. That if their child works hard enough, the process will respect that hard work. Of course, when the exams gets cancelled, the biggest sufferer is the student. It took me 2 years to complete the syllabus and now they have cancelled it. I am very shocked, said Janavi, a NEET 2026 aspirant. And this shock is not just about rewriting an exam, it is about reliving the pressure again. The same sleepless nights, the same fear, the same anxiety before entering the exam hall. People will assume students will adjust, but emotional burnout is real. Some students already give everything they had emotionally to prepare for May 3rd. Now they are expected to restart immediately. And somewhere in this conversation, an uncomfortable question is growing louder every year. Can one exam truly measure who deserves to become a good doctor? We asked a medical college professor. Many students who are brilliant, efficient, and hardworking struggle inside this high-pressure system, she said. Sometimes because of language barriers, sometimes because of economic limitations, and sometimes simply because anxiety takes over on one particular day. Students deserve a fair and transparent system where their hard work is respected and protected, said Pavitra, a BDS graduate who has taken NEET PG this year. And maybe that is the real issue here. Not just paper leaks, not just mismanagement, but the feeling among students that their hard work is becoming fragile inside a system they cannot control. Right now, lakhs of students will prepare again because they have no other option. They will reopen books, relearn chapters, and rebuild focus. Because their dreams of becoming a doctor is still stronger than their disappointment. But the country owes these students a system where effort is respected and students are not punished for failures they did not create. Because a cancelled exam does not just delay admission. For many students, it shakes confidence and years of emotional investment.